I know many of you are struggling with design, guys, whether you're a beginner not knowing how to design from scratch, or you're intermediate or advanced trying to scale your design library, or you just find designing very time consuming, a very long process, and you want to outsource it, but when you want to outsource it, you find it pretty expensive. I think I may have just found you a great solution, guys. Stick around to find out more. What's going on, guys? Adi P back with another video, but this time from a completely different country, completely different city. I'm in Morocco, Fez, on holiday and still making those videos for you guys. But first, before I start, I want to extend a special thank you to Vexels graphic design company for sponsoring this video. Today I'm reviewing Vexels graphic design platform and how it can be used for POD by any creator of any level, with a special emphasis on merch by Amazon. Coming up. From using Vexels over the last couple of days, I've noticed that they have an extensive and ever-growing library of graphic designs and graphic services. For example, they keep adding new designs every day, they keep adding new elements, new graphic styles, etc. And for Merch by Amazon, they bring value to those who don't have the design skills to take their business to the next level and are actively working on being as complete and as useful as possible, which is fantastic. Because I know one of the struggles of new Merch by Amazon creators is that they don't have the design skills to create new, exciting and unique designs from scratch. And I know also a lot of people that are in the intermediate and advanced level that don't have the time or the energy to keep creating new designs and keep uploading. So they would find this service a pretty useful service to scale their business. Not to mention the cost element, because they really can't afford to pay for expensive designs on a one-off basis. What I've also noticed is that they're the only design company at their scale that is dedicating an entire wing to the Merch by Amazon audience, and they're doing it not only with high quality designs, but also with additional services that allow users to apply different strategies and not get choked with a single-minded service. What I mean by this is that they don't charge you an extortionate amount per graphic element, but rather you have the option to pay for a subscription that is symbolic, and you can have access to a huge library of elements and designs that you can use for your Merch by Amazon or any other POD platform. So now guys, let's take a deep dive into their website and let's see whether it's the right service for your POD business and whether you should make this investment or not. So right off the bat, we can see the featured graphic resources here, and as we scroll down, we can see different elements, different graphic styles, even merch ready designs. And sometimes it gives you an idea about a new niche that you might want to enter. You may want to keep browsing, or you can go to see more here and check out other designs. You can also check out their graphic resources and also merch ready designs, which are perfect for Merch by Amazon and POD in general. You can also go to this section here, latest graphics, and check all the newest graphic designs that have just been uploaded. And if you're pretty quick, you can snap one of them and upload it right away before anybody else does. You can also go to see more. Then you have trending graphics. So this is what a lot of people are downloading as we speak. This is really good. It gives you an indication of what's trending, of what people are already uploading, and it gives you an indication of demand. And as we scroll down, we can actually see the featured categories. You can see what categories are available, and sometimes you can find this as a source of inspiration, and it makes you kind of think outside the box and explore new niches that you may not have already thought about. So let's go to discover and see what we can find. We'll go to categories. As you guys can see, there's lots and lots of different categories, and you can use them to find niches as well. Let's see, loads. There's sports. Let's click on sports, for example. It gives you silhouettes. This is a pretty cool vintage retro effect. Let's scroll down and let's see what we can find. Okay, avocado with football, cross-niching, great. Let's see what else. Yeah, many design ideas that you guys can use. Let's go back. Yeah, as you guys can see, lots of different design ideas and categories. Okay, quotes and lettering, let's see. Okay, all of these are print ready. Look at that. You can literally, okay, look at that. You can literally just take it from here and download and start using it. Now let's go back. Let's see what we can find. The great thing is there's thousands and thousands. Look, and as you go to page 10, it goes to 15 and then more and more. Look, there's 4,437 quotes and lettering designs. These are all print ready designs, guys. You can literally download them and start using them as they are. The great thing is with Vexels, you don't have to change the design. You don't have to change it. If it is a print ready design, that means you can literally take it and upload it. You can take it and upload it to Merch by Amazon. Nobody is going to say anything. And because Vexels owns the license, nobody is going to come after you. And they will not come after you because they say it is okay for you to upload them. There's absolutely no other provider that does this. All of the other providers, they ask you to change their designs considerably, right? But with Vexels, they say it's fine. You can literally upload it. It's okay. And now let's check out the merch category, like so. So look, this is Bigfoot holding a heart, right? This is perfect for Valentine's Day. So you can literally pick it up and put it on Merch by Amazon, and it will give you about 20 slots, right? If you upload it to all of the products and all of the marketplaces as well. Yes, we've seen so many designs. And the great thing is you can just pick it up and upload it, right? You don't have to design anything. I mean, you can add a few bits and pieces to it because it is an editable format. It's not just PNG. You know, it has AI. So like, let's say we go to this one right here. Look, it says it has AI. So an Illustrator file, which means you can put it on Illustrator and change it however you want. Add elements to it, change elements. You know, the choice is yours, whatever you want to do with it. You can just take it as an inspiration and change it completely. It just opens up a variety of possibilities that you didn't think existed before. Let's go back again. Right here, as you guys can see, it's all different categories. We've been here before. So when you get some time, check it out. So many things to see, guys, trust me. Now the next bit, where we're gonna go, the blog. There's really good blogs that can help you with psychology of the buyers, with how you can improve your designs. So for example, here's 6 cool ideas for your next merch design, etc. And it's all merch targeted, guys, which is really, really, really good. There isn't a design service that targets merch like this one does. So I definitely check it out. And now on to the next feature, which I'm particularly excited about, which is design requests. Now guys, if you're stuck for inspiration, if you're not sure what you want to do, or if you don't have time, you can make a design request. All you have to do is describe your design like so. So when you click on it, you can fill the form like so, put a description, put a quote, and they'll check it for trademarks, and you can put a reference link, and it's as simple as that. Send request. They'll check it, they'll make the design and send it back to you. And the next feature I want to try out is this feature here, T-shirt maker. So this allows you to create a design from within Vexels using a t-shirt mockup. You can color it in different colors. So let's try it with black, for example. You could use different graphics. You can use different types of texts. So graphics, you can use them from here, or you can search from the Vexels database. Texts, you could add text and use all these types of warping features, or you can upload your own graphic as well. So now let's see how it works and how simple and easy it is to use. So right off the bat, we see the mockup right here. We can change the color. So let's say we want to change it to black, like so. Do we want to add a background? No, we don't want to add a background, right? Pretty simple so far. Graphics, you can choose from any of these categories, or you can enter any graphic type that you want. So okay, let's say we want to make something to do with unicorns. Okay, so I'll type unicorn, right? And a few silhouettes come up. Do I want a silhouette? Maybe not. Let's see what kind of unicorn I want. We could have something like this, for example, and it goes straight into here. Now I can add a text. Let's see. Add a text. Straight away it shows as black, so we need to change the color. Let's see. Right. Straight away I can see one limitation, unfortunately, is I can't choose a color. It has to be a hex color, so a color code. This is not good for me because I need to be able to choose a color if I want. And also if I want to copy a color from here, I can't, right? So it's not the same as Illustrator where I can use the eyedropper tool and pick a color and then use that same color on my text. So it's not quite as advanced, unfortunately. Right, so let's say, for example, I want to choose, this is not a great color. See, that's the thing, like I wouldn't be able to pick this one right here, but I can do it with this eyedropper tool right here. Pick the color like so, and then copy the code and then paste it right here like this. Perfect. So we found a workaround. Just in case you guys are not sure about this extension, just type eyedropper on Chrome Extensions Store and you'll be able to find this extension. It's pretty handy. So we'll fill it with awesome synths and then we'll put the year 2010, for example. And then you probably have guessed it, we'll warp it. Oh no, it doesn't do it. Okay, so I think we have to select it like this and then add the effect. Oh, why doesn't it do it? Right, so you have to add the effects first before you do anything. Okay, fantastic. Let's do this. We're gonna copy and then we're going to put awesome synths. Okay, so it does it like this. We can make it smaller. Oh no, not this. It's pretty fiddly. Okay, we need to change the font, of course. Let's see what kind of font selection we have. Not a great font selection, unfortunately. I'll use Happy Camper. I like this font. And from here, we could change how much warping we want, the more it warps. And then we put 2010 right here. So we'll add another layer of text. And then since we have that code, we'll just paste it again. Maybe we could use this color this time. Maybe it wouldn't come up well. Maybe we could use this color right here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it comes up. Would it be maybe this color? And then we copy it. And then we go here. We paste it and we put 2010 and then we change the text to, again, Happy Camper. You could use two types of fonts, but I would use the same font in this case. Really, really simple design. Anybody could make it. I found a few limitations. So one, you're not able to change the colors on here based on just colors. You don't have a color palette. It's just codes, right? Just hex codes, which you can manipulate again using this eyedropper tool. That's the first one. The second one is you can't copy a text and paste it. So like I can't duplicate this. I haven't found how to do it yet. Maybe if Vexels have a different idea, please do let me know because I didn't find how I could do it. The other limitation is I can't see a layer system. So where are the layers? Like if I want to put this behind this, I know you could probably do it a different way. Maybe, let's see. Right, okay, so center front and then center to back. Yeah, so that's another way. But like overall, it is really, really basic. There isn't much to manipulate, unfortunately. But for somebody who is brand new to designing, if somebody doesn't know how to manipulate a very advanced software like Illustrator, this is a perfect starting point. I would definitely recommend it. And it makes it so much easier to create designs on the fly using graphics from Vexels straight from the platform. And then what we could do, we could go ahead and download it. And it shows generating preview. Oh, right, okay, here is the issue now. Here is the issue. We need to be able to see the Canva. We couldn't see the Canva, guys. So because we couldn't see the Canva, we weren't able to keep it inside the Canva. So now I have to make this smaller, okay, and maybe this smaller as well in order for me to fit everything. Maybe this 2010 smaller as well. And now let's go ahead and download it. Okay. it fits right in. Great, fantastic. Now let's go ahead and download it. And here is the PNG, guys. PNG, transparent, 4500 by 5400, just like how Amazon wants you to do it. And now you can go ahead and upload this straight to Amazon or any POD platform, and there you go. It's as easy as that. Really, really easy for anybody who doesn't know how to operate advanced softwares like Illustrator or Photoshop or GIMP and whatnot. And to be honest with you, when I saw the pricing, I was kind of shocked in a way, because it is actually less than what I was anticipating. I think it's pretty cheap for what it is, to be honest. But let's check it out. Let's see. Pricing. So you've got two options. You can opt for the monthly option or for the annual option, whereby you get 25% off the original price. So the first option is the Pro for freelancers and small business. This gives you one design request per month. You still have access to all of the design elements and graphics, and you get only commercial use. You don't get merch. You don't have the ability to get print-ready designs for merch by Amazon, right? And you get 200 downloads per month, and you get standard support. The next option, which I would recommend to anybody who's starting out, if you're in merch or any POD platform, $22, and that's on an annual basis. On a monthly basis, slightly higher. So you get 2 design requests per month. You get commercial and merch licenses. This allows you to use all of the designs and elements on a commercial use basis, and also on merch by Amazon and other POD platforms. And here, as you guys can see, graphics can be used as a main image. So you can literally take it from Vexels and put it on merch by Amazon as a design, and you're good to go. You get 200 downloads per month, up to 1000 prints, design, exclusive PSD clothing mockups, access to the Vexels merch digest, which is really, really good. It's basically a regular newsletter that you receive to get an idea about trends, about what to look out for, what designs are going to be good for the next month or so. It's pretty handy. You get PNG files ready for merch print. You get special perks and bundles, and licenses valid for POD, including merch by Amazon, Zazzle, prints for Redbubble, Etsy, and all of that kind of stuff. And not to mention Shopify and KDP as well. The next level up is the business. This is for large scale businesses. So you get 7 design requests per month. You get priority on requests, commercial and merch license. You get 2000 downloads instead of 200 downloads per month. You get up to 5000 prints, designs instead of 1000, and the rest is the same as the merch subscription. Now the question is, should you invest in this service? Well, I say absolutely. If you're just starting out and you're a small creator, I would go for the merch subscription. But if you're a high tier looking to scale up, I would definitely go for the business subscription, because it has a lot more to offer and it comes with a lot more value as well. And as you guys know me, I always fight to get you guys the best promotions and the best deals. And I'm letting you in on a nice deal that Vexels are doing beforehand, before anybody else knows. They're launching new lifetime plans on their merch and business categories. The promotion will run throughout Bank Holiday weekend, which is from Thursday morning, the 28th of November, until Monday afternoon, the 2nd of December. The discount will be huge. It'll be 55% off. So you guys need to run and get it, because it may be the best investment you'll make this year. You'll find the discount link down below in the description, so make sure you use this link so that you can get that discount. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Of course, I'm here to help you guys. This is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. As ever, comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get my videos as they come out. Also, check out my social media, my Facebook groups, my Facebook page, my Instagram, and also my website, www.masteradp.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.